Babo Kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Mark, for today's vlog, napakasaya natin kasi another bumper day for us. Actually, so me time, that's us time. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Dermacare Gold. So, this is located sa Skytech sa Mabalacat, Pampanga. And grabe, as soon as you come here, personally, medyo intimidating. Napaka-elegant ng
Kasi
lugar.
ang ganda ng lugar, parang mamahalin. Pero what is good thing here is yung mga staff and yung mga owner itself is napaka-cool.
They're really cool and napaka-affordable din po ng mga prices nila. So, if you're interested to know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
I'm a cabin crew, professionally,
Okay.
9 years.
For women.
Sa akin sa work ko kasi, I need to look good. As cabin crew, kailangan talaga you look aesthetically beautiful and good. Yung beauty naman, hindi lang siya panglabas. Dapat from within din. With Dermacare kasi, yung unang pasok ko dito, sa totoo lang, medyo na-intimidate ako kasi ang ganda ng clinic, diba? It looks expensive and classy and parang hindi mo siya afford. Pero sa totoo lang, sobrang affordable ng mga treatments nila. And marami siyang variation according to your skin needs and yung kaya din ng budget. They offer a lot of packages na kung saan ka pwede at saan ka makakapag-adjust. Tapos napakabait din ng mga staff. Tapos talagang alagaan ka nila. So, pag pumupunta ako dito, sabi ko nga, gino-joke lang namin siya, pero sa totoo lang, kapag pumupunta ka dito, nag-glow ka. Kasi alam mo after that, pagagandahin ka nila.
So, bali gagawin po sa kanya is red light.
Rev light.
Opo.
Okay.
Go-to treatment ko to for skin whitening, tapos dark spots, tapos parang may Korean glow effect din siya after. So, favorite ko siya. Tapos nakakaliit din siya ng pores. Kaya lagi ako nagpaparev light. Pwede nga ng buong katawan. Pwede, actually pwede. Sa legs, underarm, sa neck. Tapos kung saan kayong mga may discoloration.
Yes.
Yan. Women, di ba? Ang dami naming arte. For us, when we look good, we feel good. Kasi kapag feeling mo nalulosyang ka na, alam mo yon na nagre-radiate yun na feeling mo parang bugnot ka, gano'n. So, syempre nagpapaganda kami. Hindi lang para sa ibang tao, para sa sarili naman.
So, they allowed us to experience the treatment first. Ayan. So, what are we doing today, ma'am?
Facial muna. Tapos yung diamond peel kita. Tapos sa aqua jet peel. Para ma-refresh yung mo.
Ooh, I think that's what I need. So kasama natin si Mark. Sa kabilang naman siya, bed. So thank you so much, Dermacare Gold. This is at Skytech building dito sa Camachiles Mabalacat. One thing that really stand out para sa akin dito sa Dermacare Gold, ang lakas makasosyal ng mga nila, mga cabin, mga rooms. You're gonna be treated like, king. O kaya I feel, lighter yung skin ko, I feel really relaxed. Wow, so another fun part, guys, for our vlog dito po sa Dermacare Gold is, of course, magpapadrip po tayo kay Nurse Cha. Ayan, so any expectations, brother?
So syempre, after natin magpa-facial, syempre drip naman tayo for pampagandang lalaki.
Pampagandang lalaki.
This one is Snow White. Ayan. It has higher doses of glutathione and collagen, placenta with vitamin C.
I wasn't born with the perfect skin, pero pag yung mga treatments nila
Yeah.
na enhance without going under the knife, eh di much better, di ba? Just to enhance
Very
what you
good.
already have.
There you go. So there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if this is helpful to you, make sure to, share it sa timeline nyo naman.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out!
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.